Our pendulum three-way row, it's a great rowing movement for our upper back to adjust the seat height. We just lift up slightly in the front, and it can go up and down. We're gonna adjust the seat, it's usually pretty high. We're gonna adjust it so as we pull back, that hand ends up right at the bottom of our rib cage. We have different grips on it. When we do this one, our feet are behind us, they're not in front of us. Usually when we do a rowing movement, we wanna put as much tension on our upper back as we can. If our feet are in front of us, we're gonna tend to push back with our legs, so let's have them behind us. You can sit up to grab it. You're gonna pull it back. It's a pulling movement, so we're gonna pause in that contracted position. Pull your shoulder blades back first. Get a little stick. 1001, 1002. 1001, 1002. Looking straight forward the whole time, 1001, 1002. Now we have different grips on it. For the underhand grip, usually put the seat up a couple more notches to work those lower fibers of the trap in the back. A little overhand too. So that's our pendulum three-way row.